Hi everyone, and my name is Ivan, and today we're going to solve daily temperatures medium LeetCode problem. Let's start. What is the definition of this problem? We have an integers array, temperatures, and we have to provide the difference in days when the temperature started to increase. For example, from 73 to 74, it appears only one day and the temperature increased. From 74 to 75, also one day. So this is why we put here one. From 75, the next day which provides higher temperature is 76. And the difference between this day and 75 day is 4. So, how to solve this? The most intuitive way to solve this is just using brute force. When we are trying to iterate, we are, for example, take the pointer here, and with the second loop, we are just trying to find the first day which has higher value than our current day. And we just, when we found this day, we just take the difference in indexes and put this value into our result array. Let's implement this. Create our length as n. Why it appears n? Because we have high temperatures value name, so it's convenient. In here, result is going to be combined with all zeros. So, and we have to return our result here. Our logic. First, we iterate our current day, current temperature, enumerate temperatures. This is our first loop. In inner loop, the second loop, we're going to iterate again. This is going to be our future day. For future day in range current day n, and our future temperature is going to be future temp is going to be temperatures future day. So right now we have everything. What we have to do is just check if our future temperature is higher than current temperature. What we do, we just return the difference in our return result in our current day index as a difference between future day and current day. Future day minus current day, and break, of course. This solution has the time complexity of O(n) squared because double loop, and the space complexity is going to be O1 because result is not considered by default. Result is not considered as an additional space, so we just exclude the result. And we don't allocate extra memory. So the idea is we have found this, for example, some value, 74, and we are doing break here and move to the next iteration and start again searching for the next highest values. Okay, may we optimize this solution? Of course, yes. It can be solved for the linear time complexity, and this is, by the way, the hint. The solution of solving this problem in linear time complexity is going to be using monotonically decreasing stack. I'll write it here, monotonically decreasing stack. Okay, let's start. I want first put here some explanation of this solution. Monotonically decreasing stack. And you will understand everything how it works from this example. Yeah, it's here, even better. Okay, just imagine we have this example, temperatures, 73, 74, 5, 73, so on. I just copied it from here. I just put our days, I enumerated our days from 0 to 7, these days, just provided indexes for them, and I created the result. Let's just create all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's right. What we're doing right now, we create stack, but not a simple stack, decreasing, monotonically decreasing stack. So we have to make sure that all our values in decreasing order. Let's start from putting our first values into our stack. We're iterating from left to the right. Take this 73. 73 is the highest values. We don't have a stack initialized, so we just put our 73, but we just put not just 73 into stack, we put the index into stack. So we put the 0 into stack. You see the 0. The next iteration, the next day, 74. The first index, this is the second day, but I'm going to refer to indexes to not confuse. The first index day has 74 temperature. What we do, because right now we had 73, now in current day we have 74, so it's right now our 74 is higher than 73. It's not monotonically decreasing stack. So what we want to do is just pop our 73 out of this stack, because this is how monotonically decreasing stack works. We pop this value, we remove the 0 index, and right now the magic happens here, that we take the previous day. Our previous day was on 0 index, and we in our result array initialized completely with zeros. We find the difference and put the value into this previous day. The difference is the current day minus the previous day. So in current day we have index 1, in previous day we had index 0, so the difference between them are 1, and we put this difference in our previous day. Okay, 1 comes here. The next iteration, go further. What we do, we encounter 75. 75 is higher than 74. Again, to make our monotonically decreasing stack, we have to remove 74. We remove 74. We remove it. We remove this first index. And in previous day, which is first index, we put our difference between current day and previous day. 2 minus 1. 1. Okay, what's next? In our stack, we put our 2. 0, 1, 2. 75 goes into our stack. Right now, we're in here. Then we go to the next iteration. This is 71. 71 is lower than 75. So we just keep adding the new values to our stack. 75, 71, 69, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then we encounter 72. Encounter 72. 72 is higher than 69. So what we do, we just remove this 69. We pop it out of the stack. We remove it. And in our previous day, what was 4, we put in this 4 position the difference between 5 and 4, which is 1. The simple. 1 goes here. 1 goes here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here we put our 1. Go to the next iteration. Remove 3. Why we remove 3? Because 72 is still more than 71. We have to remove 71 to make our stack consistent in decreasing order. We remove 71 and in our put the difference between 72 and 71 by indexes, which is 5 and 3. The difference is 2. We put our 2 into this position, into this position of, yes, into this position 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is our 3. Everything is right. What's next? We move further. We have in our stack 2 and 5. 0, 1, 2. This is 75 by temperature and 76. 76 is added to our in the next iteration. 76 is added to our stack, so we have 2 and 5 at the end. Then we remove 5 because our 76 is more than 75. We need to decrease in order and put the difference between current day, which is our 6, and yes, current day, which is going to be 6, and the difference 6 and 75. 0, 1, 2, 2. Yes, we put these 4 in here. Just put in here. Yes, and what's the last step is we put our 6 here and the 7 here. We just put them because we removed our 75 and now only 76 and 73 remained. And because we initialized our because we initialized all of the array in zeros, these zeros appeared. And I just think that I forgot something. I forgot to change these values. 5. I forgot this. The difference between 6 and 5 going to be 1, and this one has to be put in here. So this is our result. This is our result, and right now what we have to do is just write this logic. Write this logic for ourselves. Yes. What about, yes, about time complexity, this is going to be ON time complexity. About space complexity, we allocate stack by itself. So in worst case, if we have array which is completely, I don't know, in decreasing order, so we will put the whole array in worst case into our stack, and it's going to be ON time space complexity. So let's start. Let's write this up. What we have? We have to initialize our stack as empty stack, and right now we just iterate our current day and current temperature. Enumerate. Let me just copy these temperatures here. So we are iterating over our array. Take our index and take our temperature. Again, if don't forget, we are caring about monotonically decreasing stack. We check if stack exists and current temperature higher than temperatures which is located in stack -1. The last value in our stack, we check it. If it's higher, current temperature higher, we have to do something with our stack. We have to pop the last value from our stack and put this into our result. Previous day is going to be equal to current day minus previous day. And what we do, we just return our result. Oh, sorry, it's already written. right now, let's just check that everything is okay and works fine. No mistakes exist. Runtime error, of course. Probably something wrong with my variable temperatures. In here it's works. Let's just check it out one more time. 73, 74, wrong output. Let me just check it out. Enumerate stack result previous day is going to be stack pop, and result previous day is going to be difference between our current day and previous day. And this is interesting. I have forgot something probably. Of course, I forgot to append in our stack, because by default I'm carrying here of my monotonically decreasing stack, but I don't append our indexes of each day into our stack by itself. So this is normal behavior that we have got all zeros. So let's start one more time. Accept it. What we have to do is just submit our result, and it works pretty fast. So we are done for today. What I want to say that thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I believe you found it helpful, and have a happy coding day. Bye.